Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Google Pixel 6 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the LCD screen from the right hand side. Create an opening and insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. The flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic carpet tool to avoid internal damages. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right hand side to the left hand side and keep it like an open book. Next, take out the connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, undo 9 screws on the logic board bracket. Next, gently lift the bracket by loosening the graphite tapes. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, apply some heat to the battery and then gently pry the not working battery from the board. This process may take time and might need some extra heating. While pulling out, relax the tape on the bottom of the battery. Next, install the new battery with adhesive. And then secure the tape on the bottom. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the board bracket by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the LCD screen for testing. Once the testing passes, secure the connector bracket. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or any double-sided LCD adhesive. Gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.